Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I say welcome. If you've been following me, thank you so very much. So guys, today we are making this banana dinner rolls. You can see how fine the face of this bread is. It's so soft, so yummy, so fluffy, and it's so easy to make. Guys, sit back and watch as I make this delicious bread. So guys, for this banana dinner rolls, we're using some milk, egg, yeast, salt, cooking oil, sugar, vanilla, bananas, then our flour. So guys, let's get started. So the first thing we are going to do is to add some milk, then add in the yeast so that it will activate. So just put it aside. So the next thing we'll do is to peel our ripe bananas, and then you have to mash. So get your masher, then mash very well. Mash to be very smooth, but if it's not too smooth, you can still use it like that. So after mashing the banana, this is what we have. So at this point, you're cracking your egg. Adding the milk. Adding the sugar. Adding your cooking oil. Adding the vanilla. They now combine very well. Then add in the yeast. Combine very well. After combining like this, you now bring in the dry ingredients, which is the flour. Then you now pour everything in. You mix very well until all the liquid has entered into the flour. So at this point now, I have to clean my work surface, pour it on it, then now use my hand to knead a bit. You don't have to knead it so long, and you don't have to knead it so hard. So this is it. If you feel that it's a bit sticky, you can add in some more flour, but not too much. Like I said, we don't have to knead it for too long. So just leave it like this, get my bowl, then put it there so it can double in size. So in the bowl, just put in some oil, then add the dough here, then cover for like 30 minutes for it to double in size. So guys, after 45 minutes, this is what we have. So what you do is just to punch the air out, floor your work surface, roll into any shape or size that you want. So guys, this is what we have now. It's now time for us to cut into shape. You can cut into any shape and size that you want. This is banana dinner rolls. So now in my pan, I've already added some oil in here. with the baking sheet. This is for it not to stick in the pan when it is baked. So now what I'll do, I'll cut into smaller sizes. So I have about 10, um, I cut them into 10 pieces. So what we do now, just to fold them in like this, it's so easy. If they are sticking in your hand, you can add in some flour or you can rub in some oil in your hand so it doesn't stick very well. So this is what we have. So drop it into the pan like this. So you have to do it for the rest of the cut doughs. Just fold it in until you get a smooth round dough. Or you can even rub it on the table if you are not good with that. Get a round dough and put it in the tray. When putting them in the tray, you have to give some space because it's still going to rise again. After rolling out, this is what we have. You can see how I place them in the pan. You can use any pan that you have. This is the pan I have, this is what I'm using. So now we are going to cover again for another 40 minutes for it to double inside before put inside the oven. So my people, after another 35 minutes, this is what we have. You can see the dough has doubled in size. So now we'll go over to the oven to bake. We are going to be baking for 25 to 30 minutes on medium high heat. So guys, let's go. And guys, after 30 minutes in the oven, this is what we have. So while it's still hot, you get some melted butter, like so. Add some parsley flakes. Wow, I've just poured everything in. You add some chili flakes. Get your brush and then rub on the bread. This will give it a different flavor and it's going to be so yummy. So after this, you allow the bread to cool before we open to see how it looks inside. Come on. And guys, this is what we have. You can see how soft and how succulent this is. Wow. Guys, if you have watched me up to this moment, please hit the subscribe button, follow me, like, share, and I will see you in my next. Thank you for watching and bye bye.